With the latest upgrade in ChatGPT's image maker, it's easier than ever to make realistic action figures of yourself for your business, for your friends' birthdays, whatever you want. It's very simple and it only takes a few minutes. Go to the prompt box, select the three dots, and Create Images will open up. Select that. Photorealistic action figure box set of a plumber. Now the image maker will begin. You're going to find that this is going to take a couple of minutes, but it certainly is worth the wait. Now in the prompt, I did say photorealistic. The reason why I did this is because I wanted the action figure to look like a actual human inside of the box. If I didn't say that, and if you just say action figure box set, more than likely it's going to look like a plastic figure. We have a photorealistic action figure plumber. Now, a couple of things that I don't like about this is that I don't see head to toe here. It cuts them off at the knees. Now I'm going to follow up with a prompt that's going to allow you to have more control over the accessories that are added, as well as making sure that you have the whole body inside the box set. All right, this time we have a photorealistic image of an action figure box set featuring a plumber in full attire, including accessories, plunger, wrench, multi-pouch tool belt, and flashlight. Show the complete figure from head to toe with packaging. This time we have head to toe, and we have the accessories that I had requested. Let's take this one step further and add branding to it. Now this time I added just something in front of the prompt. I put the name of the company, Cellino Plumbing, and we have now plumber, photorealistic image of the action figure. The rest of this is the exact same prompt that we had in the previous image. And now it has the name of Cellino Plumbing on there. We're going to take it one step further. This time, we're going to go with Cellino Plumbing, and the name of the person is Luke Cellino, photorealistic image of an action figure box set featuring the person in the uploaded photo in full attire, including accessories, plunger, wrench, multi-pouch tool belt. This time I've added the Cellino Plumbing lawn sign and flashlight. Show the complete figure from head to toe with packaging. And now I'm going to go to the plus sign here, upload from my computer a picture of Luke, and press enter. All right, here we go. Now we have Cellino Plumbing, Luke Cellino. The person in the box looks a lot like the person in the picture with all of the accessories. It really looks nice. It's a lot of fun. You're going to spend probably more time than you should doing this, but people really do enjoy it. It takes a few minutes. Just have the prompts. I'll have them in the show notes so that you could just copy and paste the prompts. And if you really want, you can take this even one step further. You can add company logos, bring it over to Canva if you want, and to just go a whole new level with these. But I can tell you from experience, all the ones that I've made and shared with friends, they've loved them. You should give it a try. Only takes a couple minutes. Have some fun with it. Enjoy.